right, so this is the gimbal. Just walking down the street. I just want to take a quick walk down the street. That's my little zoom. That's the little zoom button. But this is the gimbal, and this is sort of the color that I'm getting right now. The sun is to my right, so we're getting a lot of harsh shadows, at least from what I see on the screen to my left. The one thing I will say is that is nice that they give you the extra battery, the little battery mount that you can put at the bottom of the Osmo. The problem I have with this is that they don't actually give you feet or the legs with it, so I just use the legs from my light gray Osmo Mobile, and it works fine, but it's just kind of a hack and sack of what I would have preferred or wanted. That said, I think that the performance, there's not a lot of bounce on this. It's not like a lot of gyration this way. So that's really cool. I'm shooting at 4K, 24 frames per second. And then I'm also recording internally to both my tentacle sync, which for those of you that don't know what tentacle sync looks like, it looks like this. Tentacle sync is just a standalone recorder. Audio recorder has 32-bit float audio, so that's cool. And then I'm also recording with my, I don't know if you can see it here, but right over here, I'll tap on it. I'm recording with my DJI Mic 3. And so I think I do like the qualities of this camera, especially if you're just walking around, you just need to do a little bit of vlogging and content creating. Let me turn this around so you can see how everything looks. Looks pretty good here. It's a nice wide shot. You can go zoom in a little bit further with the zoom button, and it gives you a slightly tighter view if you want that. I actually don't mind this at all. I think this looks pretty good. There's so much noise outside now. There's so many people making content. I don't even like really using that terminology. Sometimes it's difficult to stand out or to feel like you have a POV, a point of view, something that is useful or valuable to the conversation. Just want to point out, once I get backlit again, obviously I'm darker skinned. The camera is following my face, it's tracking my face, right? The issue is that because the settings are focused on, or the default settings are focused on lighter skin tones, it's not really reading the exposure of my face well, and it's trying to expose the background properly, so it brings down the exposure, but in turn I'm now underexposed as a black man, a black male. And so this is where being able to do your own manual exposure makes a difference, because you're not relying on the default settings of the camera or of the sensor, because it can only see so much. And then this is also where we get into sort of the conversation of AI, where if we had AI in these things, like really robust AI, it would be able to now see the whole scene and do sort of like bracket or stacked exposures. But then are we actually seeing the reality of what the real image should be? I guess that's a question for another day. But what I will say, going back to what I was saying before, I want to create videos that are helpful for people, that show you my journey. As some of you might know, a couple of my new films have come out, whether it's Sugar Dumpling or it's been something else. Like Echoes of Care and Sugar Dumpling. And to be honest with you, this is a journey. This is a forever journey. And the journey of being able to get things made and get hired to create things with other people and collaborate with other people is like a day-to-day journey. And so I'm learning, and as I learn, I want to share. But I also don't want to just create hype content to create hype content for no reason. I want to create stuff that's actually going to be useful for your day-to-day life. It's gonna get you to point A to point B. So you can write down in the comments, let me know what we can do, what I can do better, how I can guide you and take you on this journey with me. As I grow, you grow, we grow together. That's really what I would love to do. Yeah, let me know.